Can vegans eat honey? Well, this answer is not so easy. So, as a non expert, I would like to pose two opinions and let everybody choose what's best for them. Now, the Vegan Society defines veganism as a way of living which seeks to exclude, as far as is possible and practical, all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose. So, if you're not causing any harm to the chicken by eating eggs, by definition, are you still vegan? Perhaps it's, maybe that's one your point of view. But the same thing goes for honey. The Vegan Society believes that honey is not vegan. It states on its website, honey is made by bees for bees, and their health can be sacrificed when it is harvested by humans. Importantly, harvesting honey does not correlate with the Vegan Society's definition of veganism, which seeks to exclude not just cruelty, but exploitation. But some vegans do use bee products. There are a number of different types of beekeeping. In what's called balanced beekeeping, only excess honey is removed from the hive. There is also natural bookkeeping, where keepers leave the hive alone, allowing the process to be as natural as possible. Whether a vegan who eats honey from a balanced beekeeper is still a vegan is entirely down to perspective. Vegan journalist Ain Carlin writes for The Guardian, quote, "While I personally don't consume honey and haven't done for years, I can wholly understand why some self-proclaimed vegans have no issue in purchasing local raw honey. Of course, this is a hugely contentious issue that evokes strong emotions, but for me, this is about making a personal, informed decision, not driven simply by the definition of a word."